Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's move to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of these is the Show Grid Lines button. So by just one tap here we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Now let's tap again to the right corner. When we tap to the bottom of this button, we get access to more options about the grid lines. As you can see, we have the standard grid, we have the second view, so this is how they change here. Another tap to the right corner to the bottom of Shop Grid Lines button, and let's move to the spiral. We get access to the left and the right side. And let me show you the last one, spiral here. These lines are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition, and of course remember that all of the grid lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the gallery button, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap to the right corner and again to this button. So for now they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.